Is your water heater popping, banging, or rumbling? That noise is a warning sign, and ignoring it can shorten the life of your tank. Water heaters are designed to run quietly in the background, so if yours is suddenly making noise, it's a clear signal that something inside isn't working the way it should. But don't worry, we'll walk you through what those sounds mean. The most common cause of water heater noise is sediment buildup. Over time, minerals from hard water, like calcium and magnesium, settle at the bottom of your tank, forming a hard layer. When the heating element turns on, water gets trapped underneath this sediment. As that water heats up and turns to steam, it forces its way out, creating popping, rumbling, or banging sounds. To fix this, you should flush your tank at least once a year. This process drains the tank and removes all the loose sediment buildup. Flushing your water heater not only quiets it down, but also improves its efficiency and can significantly extend its lifespan. It's a simple maintenance task that saves you money in the long run. If you're hearing a distinct knocking or ticking sound coming from your pipes, the culprit might be thermal expansion. When water heats up, it expands in volume. This expansion puts extra pressure on your plumbing system, causing the pipes to move slightly and knock against walls or framing. This is especially common in homes that don't have an expansion tank installed. The solution here is to check for an expansion tank. This small separate tank is installed near your water heater to absorb the excess pressure created by heated water. If you don't have one, installing one will protect your pipes from damage and get rid of that annoying knocking sound. For those with electric water heaters, a buzzing or humming sound often points to an issue with the heating element. Over time, an element can become loose or coated with scale, causing it to vibrate. In most cases, this just means the element needs to be tightened or replaced by a professional. In gas water heaters, a phenomenon known as kettling can occur. This happens when scale builds up directly on the burner assembly. Similar to sediment buildup, water gets trapped underneath the scale and boils, creating a high-pitched, kettle-like noise as the steam escapes. However, some noises signal a serious problem. If you hear loud banging, a high-pitched whistling, or a screeching sound, turn off your water heater immediately and call a licensed plumber. These noises can indicate dangerously high pressure or a failing temperature and pressure relief valve, which requires urgent attention. Most water heater noises are fixable if caught early, so it pays to listen. If this video helped you diagnose the problem, like and subscribe for more plumbing explanations. Comment below. What noise is your water heater making?